Imagine you're in a large office where everyone is trying to communicate at the same time. If every message was heard by everyone, it would be noisy, slow, and chaotic. That is exactly how early computer networks worked. In this video, we will understand what a hub is, what a switch is, and why switches completely replaced hubs in modern networks. If you're learning computer networking or preparing for the CCNA, make sure to subscribe to the channel for clear, structured explanations just like this. And with that, let's get started. A hub is one of the earliest networking devices. Its job is very simple. When a device sends data into a hub, the hub blindly forwards that data to every single port except the one it came from. It does not read addresses or make decisions. It simply broadcasts traffic to all devices. Because of this, only one device can communicate at a time. If two devices transmit together, a collision occurs. Both devices must stop and resend their data, which slows the entire network. Hubs create a single collision domain. All devices compete for the same bandwidth. They operate in half-duplex mode, meaning devices can either send or receive data, but not both at the same time. As more devices join, performance drops significantly, making hubs inefficient and unreliable. A switch, on the other hand, is a much smarter networking device. It learns which device is connected to which port by reading MAC addresses. When data arrives, the switch forwards only to the port where the destination device is connected. Instead of broadcasting to everyone, communication becomes direct, efficient, and private. With a switch, each port is its own collision domain. Multiple devices can communicate at the same time without those collisions. Switches support full duplex communication, allowing devices to send and receive data simultaneously. This results in higher speed, better efficiency, and improved scalability. With a hub, every device receives all traffic, making it easy to capture sensitive data. With a switch, however, traffic is isolated to specific ports, which greatly improves security by default. A hub works at OSI Layer 1, the physical layer. A switch works at OSI Layer 2, and sometimes 3, the data link layer. Hubs broadcast traffic. Switches forward traffic intelligently. Hubs use half-duplex and a single collision domain. Switches use full duplex and separate collision domains per port. When a switch does not know a destination, it temporarily floods traffic. It learns the source MAC address, updates its MAC table, and then forwards future traffic directly. This process happens automatically and continuously. Modern switches support advanced features such as VLANs, quality of service, and spanning tree protocol. These features make switches the foundation of modern enterprise and data center networks. Hubs were a starting point in networking history, but are now obsolete. Switches replaced hubs because they are faster, smarter, more secure, and scalable. Remember this for exams and interviews. A hub sends data to everyone. A switch sends data only where it is needed. If this explanation helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Knowledge Catch. We're building a complete library of networking concepts to help you learn faster and pass certifications like the CCNA